Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Alright, we're using artificial intelligence just to improve our lives and improve our trading and make money and keep on making money, printing money. But the problem is now that we have a glitch on MetaMask and Pancakeswap. So I've been trying for the last 3 hours to trade on Pancakeswap. And the worst problem is I tried on 5 different computers. 5 different computers, and they give me a huge error. First, on one of them, I'm trying, and have a look. I'm open. My MetaMask, it's open. This is my account, okay? I'm open on Binance Smart Chain, and I'm opening the Pancakeswap, and I'm trying to connect the wallet. And it tells me I have the MetaMask. It is open. It doesn't see it. It takes, I don't know. It does not open. I tried on different other laptops. It did open. But when I did the trade, I went in here into the swap. Okay. Same story. I tried to do small trades just to test it. Nothing happens because Pancakeswap doesn't prompt me to click to approve the transaction. You remember that it opens in here, and here should be a small little blue button that approves me to do the trade. Like it's asking me, do you accept these fees and do you accept this transaction? It does not open the MetaMask. So it's a glitch in between Pancakeswap and MetaMask. Again, I've been trying it on 5 different laptops. So this is an alert. If you have the same problem, please write me on the comments below. Give me solutions, but talk to them. I wrote them a message. I hope they're gonna fix it soon because I'm panicking. I have a lot of transaction to make, but not just that. I have my own token HEJJ in there, and I cannot trade it. So my clients cannot trade it. I'm so upset. Give me some solutions, fix it, do something, or I don't know. Panic and run away. Panic. Thank you very much for your attention and have a profitable day.